Hey everyone, it's Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to use the built-in microphone on your PlayStation 5 controller. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. Your DualSense controller has a built-in microphone. Now this is unmuted by default, so if you're in like a game lobby, you may hear a lot of people on their PlayStation 5 that are just talking freely, and they may not actually be talking to you or the game chat. They could be listening to music or something else. So you can easily mute this microphone by pressing the mute button on your controller. If you press it once, it will mute the microphone. If you hold this down, it will mute the microphone plus the audio. Now on the PlayStation 5, let's press the PlayStation button and bring open this screen. Then go over to mic. Then go to the top. If you want to use this microphone, make sure you have wireless controller selected. Down below, we have an option to unmute or mute our microphone. Then go to adjust microphone level. And make sure this is in the good section and it's not too loud. Otherwise, it will pick up clicking with your thumbsticks or when you tap the buttons. So let's bring this down to the good section, right about there, in the middle. We have our microphone now selected on our controller. The sound is adjusted appropriately, and we know how to mute our microphone. What if we want to turn this off by default when we start up our PlayStation 5? So on the home screen, if we go to settings, then scroll down to sound, then under microphone, if we go to the right and scroll down and go to microphone status when logged in, this setting might not work for some devices that have mute functions. Now, if we go to mute, when we log into our PlayStation 5 account, our microphone will be muted. So we will have to unmute our microphone to make it work. So our built-in microphone on our controller will now be muted by default when we start up games or log in. So you won't have to worry about speaking into the microphone by accident and saying something. So if this video did indeed help you guys out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos related to the PlayStation 5 coming up next on YourSixGaming.